Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech, but otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and I love to do a teardown every now and then. It's great just to see what's on the inside of things and see how far technology has come. I've liked to do this since I was a child. My speak and spell, everything I could, I take apart. And I find this to be particularly fascinating because of the dot matrix LED screen that we got on here. How easily manipulated it is, and how well that the artists have managed to pull off. Oh, disco ball, yes! Disco, disco ball, and how the artists have managed to pull off such an interesting thing. This seems to be like kind of like the idea of a kid's MP3 player. And there was a time when everyone loved MP3 players, and that's gone now because we all have our cell phones. But anyways, we can see easy enough to take apart. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. Golden power, heavy duty. I love seeing all the crazy batteries you can get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I just noticed it had a headset port. Anyways, let's pop her open. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. Let's see if they have terminals on that. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got. Now, I prefer it when they have terminals for the wires. For wires like this that go onto the speakers. But they don't, unfortunately. Let's have a close look on the main board. And autofocus is your friend. Come on, autofocus. 2016, I thought it was a little bit older than that. Okay, so you got your capacitors. That'll be a CPU that will be specific for a particular thing. Let's see if I can get a... I think that's about the closest I can get on that chip. Now that chip's going to have all the information about what's going to go where. I believe it'll be read-only. You won't be able to change it at all. We'll notice, yeah, all the points are soldered directly and no terminations. We'll notice quickly that the speaker is a lot like any other plastic cartoonish little speaker. I remember I used to pull these out of the G.I. Joe Sonic packs all the time. Alright, so I pulled the main board out, and here is where things get really cool. You'll notice that the buttons are still there. I don't see any of the buttons, any of the membranes here, because they are under an extra layer, which I think is remarkable, beautiful, excellent, awesome. I've never seen that done before, and they have a circuit board. So within here is going to be a circuit board for all the buttons, but all of the pickups come to right here, and if we flip this unit over... You'll see the screen there. That is where they would pick up. Oh, and that's the main CPU chip. That's going to be the main chip, but they put the goob on it so you can't see exactly what it is. And it is a real pain in the ass to get that stuff off. And by the time you do, you're not going to be able to see the code on the chip, odds are. And then you get the screen. So the screen kind of operates the same way as this does. If you get into other component level repair, you'll see very minor pieces like this that flip over and do this, that, or the other thing. And we call those wires, ribbons, or cables. And sometimes they just go bad after time. You'll get a Game Boy that won't play things anymore, and it's because you'll get a little crack on here. But they're so dainty, so easy to break. Now, I guess if I want to get into this, I gotta pull and peel. Back in the day, it was really easy to get things apart certain times because all you had to worry about was Phillip head screws, but that's not the situation anymore. There's a lot of clips, a lot of things you just, it seems like you can't fix, you just have to replace. Yep, there we go. Okay, so you see what's going on here is you have one membrane, you push into another membrane, and then once you do that, it makes the connection that goes down to here, and then you get your screen and all that fun stuff, right? Anyways, I love taking things apart. I love taking them apart to see how they work. And thanks for joining me on this one, guys. That was a lot of fun. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like the stuff. It's always appreciated. But more importantly, folks, of course, take care of each other, will you?